Hola chicos. So today's a little bit different. Both my even and odd classes are going to be completing the e-learning. Some of them will be in class on Tuesday, my odd classes, and then my even class of Spanish 3, even though there was PSAT that day, we'll be completing them at home or in school, depending on what grade you are in Spanish 3. So it's a little bit odd because we are going to have our test on our Thursday, Friday block day of this week, our preliminar, which means we're going to have our city vocabulary, all three of those lists together, as well as all of our commands, both our tu, afirmativo, y negativos, both our affirmative and negative. Two commands are usted and are ustedes, which can be used both ways for both affirmative and negative. So all of that to say is that even though this isn't due until Friday at 11:59, I highly, highly, highly encourage and recommend you to finish it ASAP so that you feel prepped and ready to go for our test on Thursday, Friday, because I will not be seeing you again before that. We will have a quick review time in class and then we'll jump right into it. So if you click right here on the assignment, it will take you to this page right here. And it tells you that it's a weird schedule. We're completing it digitally, even those that are in class. It's due at 11:59 on Friday for full credit. You can turn it in late, but it will not actually, you won't actually receive full credit if you turn it in after that, and you won't be prepared for the test, but that's up to you. So this is where it will take you to your study guide. So your study guide here tells you an idea of what you'll be doing. You'll be given a map and asked questions. You'll have to match your directional phrases. You'll have to write the place. So for example, a shoe store, say this is a place where you can buy shoes. You buy cake here. That will all be in Espanol. And then you have to write the Spanish name for it. So se vende zapatos, they sell shoes, would be a zapateria. Then you have to conjugate the Spanish verb given to you, and you put it in the affirmative to, negative to, usted or ustedes, depending on what it's asking for. So there'll be 4 different sections, and they each have 10. They'll be sectioned off into the type of command, and then you'll have 40 of those total. So it sounds really intimidating. It's a little bit shorter when you actually look at it on your test. So this is your practice. So using Notability or any type of way that you can complete this digitally, you're going to translate these, read the sentence, and fill in the blank, kind of like on your prueba del vocabulario, your vocab quiz. You will read these and decide what fits in the blank. Here it's given to you. You just need to fit it in the blank here. And then lastly is your mandatos. If you don't know the word, I've given it to you, like mentiras. The rest, like ice cream or class, should be pretty self-explanatory, or a vocab word like corner or around or street or something like that. So notice it tells you both the do and the don't at the beginning. So just talk is affirmative and don't is negative. And then it tells you your subject here that it wants you to put it in. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, that is what we're doing today. Gracias.